Welcome to CallRail Classroom. Once you've activated your tracking numbers and placed them on your campaigns, you'll start to receive inbound calls. This chapter shows you where exactly in CallRail you can view your new caller data and the associated analytics data. To do so, click Analytics on the left navigation bar, and then click on the Activity page. At the top of the screen, you'll see a dashboard showing you how many calls your business has received in the associated date range. Down below, you'll see a log of calls that have come in sorted by the most recent. From this view, you can see helpful data such as the tracking number they called, the source they came in from, associated keyword level data for paid calls, and the lead's name and phone number. To get even more granular information about the lead, you'll want to click the timeline icon from a call in your call log. At the top of the timeline pages are callers' information, including their caller ID information. As you scroll down the page, you'll see a full timeline of how your business and the caller have interacted over time, including phone calls, form submissions, chat, and text messages to and from this lead. For phone call interactions, we'll include source and relevant attribution information like medium, campaign, and more. For calls made after landing on your website, we include the web session and touch points a caller had on your website before, during, and after calling your business. If you have call recording enabled, you can also click on each phone call in a timeline to review the call's recording and understand what happened on the call and how it was handled by your team. While reviewing call data, you have the option to manually qualify, tag, and add notes or values to the interaction. Simply tell us if the lead is qualified or not based on what you learned on the call. We first mentioned tags in our call flow chapter, but you can add a variety of tags to classify your phone calls in certain ways. For example, new opportunity, existing customer, quote requested, etc., to then pull reports on the most utilized call tags. Our customers mainly use value to add a dollar amount to a particular interaction, like when your caller brings up a specific product or service they're interested in. Last, but certainly not least, notes can be added to help aid with the post-call follow-up as well. For example, documenting the next steps on both your end or the lead's end leaving the conversation. For customers using our Conversation Intelligence product, you can set up automation rules to automatically qualify, tag, or add values to calls based on key terms or phrases you want to be identified on your calls, like schedule, quote, pricing, etc. If you have any questions or need help viewing inbound call data, please reach out to our support team at 888-219-2787, or by clicking the question mark icon on the top right of your CallRail account. Our next chapter walks you through the robust reporting that CallRail offers and the top reports you'll want to hone in on to make data-driven marketing decisions for your business.